So our question is quadrilateral ABCD with AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 3.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 5 centimeter and angle A is equal to 45 degrees. So ఈ మెజర్మెంట్స్ తోని మనం quadrilateral కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో మనకి ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ we will take AB as base 5.5 centimeters. సో ఇక్కడ మనము గీయడానికి నేను సైడ్స్ అన్ని మెజర్మెంట్స్ని డబల్ చేసుకొని తీసుకుంటాను, ఎందుకంటే పెద్దగా కనిపించుకోవడానికి. రైట్, మీరు గీసేటప్పుడు మీ బుక్స్లో యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మెజర్మెంట్స్తో గీయండి. రైట్, సో ఫస్ట్ 5.5 అంటే ఐ విల్ టేక్ 11, మీరు 5.5 తీసుకోండి. సో 11, 0 to 11. రైట్, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ బేస్ AB. దిస్ ఈజ్ 5.5 centimeters. నెక్స్ట్ మనకి యాంగిల్ A 45 degrees ఉంది. సో ప్రొట్రాక్టర్తోని at A we have to take 45 degrees. సో ప్రొట్రాక్టర్ ఈ విధంగా పాయింట్ A దగ్గర పెట్టాలి అండ్ see where 45 degrees is. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 45 degrees. సో ఇది మనకి 45 degrees అనమాట. ఓకే, సో టేక్ పాయింట్ హియర్ and remove your protractor and draw a straight line from A joining this point. Keep your scale like this. So draw a straight line joining A through this point. Okay, so this is, we call it as a ray. Okay, so take this as AX. So here we have taken 45 degrees. Okay, next we have AD as 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters we will take 5 centimeters. I am doubling it, so I will take 10. Right, see, I am taking the compass measurement as 10. So now this is 10 centimeters. Okay, so now take this compass, place the point on A, right, and just cut the ray AX. Okay, so this will be our pointer D, and this will be AD 5 centimeters. So next we can take BC. BC is 3.5. So we have to measure 7 centimeters. Keep the point on 0. Measure 7 centimeters, 7, and take it the point to B. Keep the point on B. Okay, like this, and draw an arc like this. This is the arc with radius as 2.5 centimeters. Okay, now again, now CD is 4 centimeters. So we will take here 8 centimeters. Okay, I am taking it as 8. Now keep this point on D. Keep this point on D and draw an arc. So this is the arc, right? So extend this arc like this. So this point will be our C. So now using our scale, we will join BC and CD. Yeah, so this is BC. This is CD. Okay, so therefore we got the required quadrilateral ABCD. So this is how we can draw a quadrilateral with given measurements of 4 sides and 1 angle. Right, hope you understood. For this we have to write the construction steps also. In steps of construction, first step, draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeters. Second step, from A, draw a ray AX with 45 degrees the angle BAX is equal to 45 degrees. Third step, with 5 centimeter radius and center A, draw an arc. This is arc. Draw an arc cutting AX at D. This is fourth point. With 3.5 centimeter radius, B as center, draw an arc. Next point, with 4 centimeter radius, D as center, draw an arc cutting previous arc at C. Next, join B and C, join D and C, and therefore ABCD is the required quadrilateral. These are the steps of construction, right? Hope you all understood. Next, we'll see one more type of construction of a quadrilateral in the next video. Thank you. Bye.